On this unboxing, we'll be discussing the optional Akrapovic sound kit. Now, the sound kit enables owners of select Akrapovic car exhausts to control the sound of the system from inside of the car using the Akrapovic technology. Now, the sound kit is a remote controller for the valves on the Akrapovic muffler. Here's an example from BR Performance TV. While the muffler valves are also controlled like the factory valves in Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus modes, the sound kit will let you open and close your valves via handheld remote or even from your iOS or Android device. In this specific kit that we are unboxing for a BMW M2, the kit does consist of a control kit, sound kit receiver, power supply actuator, all necessary cables for the left and right stock actuators, and remote controller. You do receive everything that you will need for your install, with instructions listed on www.akrapovic.com. Also, please be advised that with the use of the optional Akrapovic sound kit, the ECE homologation is not valid any longer. For more Akrapovic products, please check out our listings on www.speedzone-web.com or feel free to give us a call at 407-846-8430.